Let's replace the battery on this key fob for our 2017 Toyota Rav4. There's a gap here at the corner. Insert a coin here to open it. I'm going to put the buttons face down when opening it. If not, the buttons will fall out and you'll have to put them back in. Insert the coin and turn it. It takes a couple of tries. It's open. Now wedge the coin in and slide it to open the rest of it. Hold the key and lift the back up. Lift out the key fob. It says use coin to open. Here we go. Lift it open. It needs more prying. There is the battery. It's a CR2016 battery. There's a gap here where you can insert something to pry the battery out. I used the size 2.5 flathead bit for my precision screwdriver kit. I didn't have the replacement battery yet, but I will show you how to put it back together. First, insert the battery under these two wedges. Then press down on the opposite side. Put the back cover back on. If your buttons fell out, put them back in now. Hold the key with the buttons face down. Insert the key fob with buttons face down. And snap in the back cover. Here's a replacement battery I bought on Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the video description if you're interested. If this video was helpful, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. Check the video description for links and additional information.